No, but I'm clear. I understand. I will stay seated, or I'll roll out of here. Nice. Come on, Mario.
Nice.
So good, dude. Come on.
Nice.
It's like can I get some?
Hello, everybody.
So you said
Left hand, cross over left to that hold underneath the little baby root. Yep. Yep. Work the feet. Yes, sir. Straight up to that dimple we were talking about. I'm with it. It's good. Yeah,
Nice.
nice. Big feet. You got holds in that little runnel. Then there's some good holds underneath the roof. You got it, man. Maybe a little bit higher.
this is crease.
Jug in your face.
Good. There's also those holds on that side pull flick. Yep.
Yeah.
There you go. I'm still with you, buddy. Right foot by your right knee. Underneath the roof. I'm with you.
Just hoping you're gonna
Here?
trust the
Yes,
big
yes, 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 yes. Stand up.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Still with you.
Is that from your mother?
Nice, Mario. Big jugs. Really good.
Hold up.
You're solid. I'm with you.
Where are my feet?
Higher? There you go. Just roll it out. You got it.
Yeah, there you go. Nice, Mario. Nice.
So good, dude. Yep.
Yep.
Shit is a must.
Yep.
Woo!
Nice job.
Thank you.